go.
Gonna have to take it to like 11 or 12 minutes. Make sure you definitely don't spread.
Next one starting with Nicholas.
Diff Weasel, you've now had it at one time.
Okay, take it.
Volkov will take this entire one.
Yeah, I'm on this.
Yeah, and I'm putting healing across to those guys to help you out.
I'm assuming someone's tracking you.
Morphine's also headed once now. So Fuzz should be up next. Fuzz then Nick.
Move out whenever you need to, Fuzz.
Bindi start the next one and then Raid'll finish. Bindi start.
And fuck you.
Morphine and Radel, be careful, I'm in your path. There, I'm on the outside now.
Okay, take it right up.
We're good on mana if you want to keep pushing too.
Alright.
Yeah, we're room.
I'm gonna try to take the next one by myself if I don't get I'm taking the next one by myself.
Nick's gotten tormented 3 times now.
Alright. Morphine, you're still at 2. Morphine's gonna on the next one. Fuzz, how many times have you had it?
I had a link, so I think 3.
Okay, Weasel
Either.
start.
Higgins can also take.
No, Weasel start, don't Weasel take the next, take it at halfway
Yeah,
point.
Tree can go into.
Yeah, I got it.
Just kill him.
There you go. Good job.